So today I'm going to install the radiator guard and downpipe grille. So first things first, we're going to take off the mirrors and we're going to be taking off the fairings. There are bolts here and here on either side that I need to take off. There's a bolt here and a bolt here that I need to take off. Other than that, it's really easy. There's a lot of quick rivets in here, so let's get to work.
Inside this fantasy, it seems so real to me. Synthetic ecstasy when her legs are open. She lives behind a wall where men and angels fall. A fleeting memory when the mind is frozen. It seems so real to me. When her legs are open. Where men and angels fall. When my mind is frozen. Inside this fantasy, it seems so real to me. Synthetic ecstasy when her legs are open. Where men and angels fall.
So as you can see, I've now taken off all the fairings. So here you can see what I mean by it's all mucky and covered, and something that I feel like needs a proper clean. The radiator itself is a bit gross. As you can see here what I meant with the sag. Here is a little bit of rust, so I might want to check on that. I now have to, I have already made this as loose as they want me to. They wanted to allow to dangle freely. Well, I think that's quite free in how it's dangling. Now I have to remove these bolts on either side. I'm just following the instructions quite carefully. I know most men don't do that. It's a joke. I actually, I'm not usually someone that follows instructions that well myself, but I think in this case it may be beneficial to me if I do. So Kawasaki kindly gave me this tool. It works for every bolt on the bike, except when they're like really torqued down and then you spin it and you lose most of your grip. However, this one is still fine, and it goes on here. Because they are smart, they do that, and voila. And this is also why I apparently, or most likely, cut myself earlier, because I shot out against something. Not sure if they asked me to remove the entire bolt. Right, so I found out that I had a little bit of an issue. The bolt on the other side, that's here, holding the radiator in place, was very tight and I couldn't reach it. And the Kawasaki tool that I received with my bike, I'm trying to look for it right now actually, this one, it's too short. I couldn't reach it and I had to put power on it, it just didn't work out. As a result, it's also been quite, it's losing its grip. It's made of a rather soft metal, I think. It's basically meant for fixing on the go. So what happened is that I actually had to run into town and get myself a proper tool. And it comes with loads of sockets and screwdriver options. So I should be good right now. I actually managed to get the entire radiator loose. So now we can actually start installing the radiator guard, which I've got here. And I will be prepping it and installing it, and then after that we can do a downpipe grille. which has to be connected to the fairings, so the fairings are going to be back on as well. And yeah, let's get going. So the radiator guard's in place right now, as you can see, and I think it looks pretty neat. It should be a lot better for deterring dirt and rocks. Yeah, quite pleased with how that came out. So I'm going to be fitting this part, and it should go down here and connect to the fairings. So,
tracing lips outline feels a rubber originates. One motion of a wanting ways strips everything away. This one moment is intensified and it goes all fade to gray. I'm in the only place that I want to be. I know that it ends eventually, but it's alright 'cause right now we're frozen.
result. Got the Kawasaki radiator guard there, and the downpipe grille protecting the rest. I think it looks neat. Yeah, I'm very pleased with that. Just kind of looks more polished in a way. Very happy with how that came out. Took me more time than expected, but that was down to not having the tools that I needed. A small detail here. RNG racing. And I've put stickers on the swing arm on both sides. As you can see, there is a bit of rust development on the chain. And unfortunately, it seems to me the battery is dead, because I haven't touched it in 2-3 weeks and it's been cold, so the battery's dead. I'll probably have to put it on a tender. Anyway, that's it for today. I will install the shock tube another time, and I think it's now time for me to chill, relax and play some Cyberpunk like everyone else in the world. See you later.
Don't say goodbye, don't make me cry. Oh.